This is problem 12208, sprint 29. A circle with radius 3 and center O is externally tangent to a circle with center O prime. A third circle intersects the circle with center O at points A and B and intersects the circle with center O prime at points C and D, so that ABCD is a quadrilateral with these side lengths. The lines A, B, and CD intersect at point P. Compute OP. So the first thing we look at is we notice some similar triangles. In particular, we have this in common between PBC and PDA. And if we call angle PBC theta, then ABC is going to be 180 degrees minus theta. And since ABCD is cyclic, and the sum of opposite angles in such a quadrilateral is 180 degrees, we have that ADC is also equal to theta. That means we have similar triangles, PBC and PDA. And from here we can form some ratios using side lengths. So first of all, we have PB over BC equals PD over DA. And we know that BC equals 6, DA equals 9, and PD is equal to PC plus CD, which is 7. We also have equation PC over BC equals PA over DA. And from here, again, BC equals 6, DA equals 9, PA equals PB plus AB, which is 3. So now we can form equations by cross multiplying. So for the top one, we have 9PB equals 6PC plus 42. For the bottom one, we have 9PC equals 6PB plus 18. Adding the two equations, we have 9 times PB plus PC equals 6PB plus PC plus 60. And then we get 3PB plus PC equals 60. So dividing by 3, finally we get PB plus PC equals 20. So our next step is to look at the left circle. So we notice that PO and AB are both parts of this same circle here, and they meet at a point P. So let's call this point here X and the diametrically opposite point Y. And because XY passes through O, we have the diameter. So OX equals 3 and OY equals 3 as well, because that's the radius of the first circle. So now we have another power of a point relationship. That is PB times PA equals PX times PY. In particular, we can actually simplify, or we can make this more concrete, because PA equals PB plus 3 and PX equals PX times, and PY is just PX plus 6. So now we have this equation. So now we want to find what PB is. So given this top equation, divide both sides by 3, we get 3PB equals 2PC plus 14. Subtracting 2PC from both sides, we get 3PB minus 2PC equals 14. And for this equation, multiplying both sides by 2, because we want to eliminate the PC, 2PB plus 2PC equals 40. So now we add both sides, we get 5PB equals 54. And then PB would equal 54 over 5. So we can plug that into the equation here, and we end up getting 54 over 5 times 54 over 5 plus 3. 54 over 5 plus 15 over 5 is 69 over 5. Equals PX times PX plus 6, so that's PX squared plus 6PX. So now we want to solve for PX. So let's make this a quadratic equation to use a quadratic formula on. So let's multiply it by 5 times 5 equals 25 on both sides. So we get 25px squared plus 25 times 6, which is 150px. And then Let's move this constant term to the other side. So we get a minus 54 times 69. So 54 times 69, if we calculate it out, we get 3,726 equals 0. So now using the quadratic formula, we get px equals negative 150 plus or minus b squared, 150 squared, 225, 0, 0, minus 4 times 25 times 3,726, or plus, because this is also a minus. 25 times 4 is 100, so we just have to tack on 2 zeros to the c term, which is 372600. And this is all over 2a. 2 times 25 is 50. And then let's solve for the thing inside the square root. So we get 372600 plus 22500. And we get 395100. And then the 150 over 50 is 3, so we get negative 3 plus or minus root 395100 over 50. From here, we know that OP is just equal to x, or PX plus OX. In other words, we have a 3 plus whatever PX is. So PO will cancel this negative 3 out, and then we have OP is equal to positive, because it's a length, square root of 395100 over 50. So we can simplify this first by noticing this 2 zeros at the end. So we can take out 100, and that becomes 10 root 3951 over 50. Divide both sides by 10, we get square root of 3951 over 5. And finally, 3951 is actually a multiple of 9. And if we multiply this, divide this out, we get 439. So taking out a 9, this becomes 3 square root of 439 over 5. And this corresponds to answer choice C. We're done.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.